Good morning, or afternoon, or night. Today we're going to be making Chilean empanadas the cheese way. You should start by taking an egg and separating the yolk from the egg whites. In the meantime, put a pot on medium heat. Now you will fill that pot halfway up with oil. And while that is boiling, you will prepare your empanadas.
Bruh.
Without struggling like me, you can take a pre-made package of empanada crust and begin to unpackage it and lay them out. Set that aside and begin cutting up your cheese. I used Munster cheese here, but you can use any cheese that you would like. And make sure to cut it up into cubes or rectangular prisms. Remember that egg white that we separated before? Yep, you're gonna need it again. It's basically gonna act as a natural glue as it will hold the edges of the empanada together. Pinching alone could work, but the egg whites make it more secure. Put down a large bowl or a basket with paper towels so that you can start adding your empanadas inside. You can make multiple at a time, but don't forget to keep checking back with your oil. As you fry your empanadas, preferably 2 at a time, make sure to flip them over and keep them boiled until they are a crispy golden or orange color. So yeah, that's how you make a Chilean fried cheese empanada. I hope you enjoy!